Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with Richard. Today we are looking at the valves on your pool equipment, and I keep getting calls, people telling me that they can't turn the valve the way they need it to go. So let me show you how we do that.
Take the top screw off. This little catch here catches right here and here.
So that little tab on the bottom of the handle is the reason that it won't turn?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you fix it?
You unscrew this, make it loose, don't take it all the way off. Usually about at the very top, and it'll go all the way around. But you have to pull upwards on it, not to let it sit, because it'll stop each time.
Okay, so what's the purpose of that little tab?
The purpose of that tab is so you don't shut off full flow to your motor.
Okay.
If you shut off full flow to the motor and it's still on, it puts a lot of pressure on the pump itself. It can burn up your engine, your actual motor itself. And it's just basically to save you from shutting your motor down.
Okay, so those stops are there on purpose to prevent you from doing damage to your equipment.
Yes.
Okay, so does it only work on a valve that's upright like this, or will it work on one of these other ones?
It works on all the valves like this one.
Because let's say we want to close this pipe off here.
You just loosen up again. If you look right here, you can see where that pulls apart right there in between.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Then now, since you're pulled like that, you can shut it right off.
Okay.
And pull from another pipe.
Okay, that's awesome.
And always remember to turn it back to normal when you're done.
Excellent. All right, guys, thanks for watching.